The reason why you have soft soap is because the recipe that you use, there's some problem with it. That's exactly what happened to me with my recipe here. This one, the soap here, I left out for 4 days already. Now it starts to harden up, okay? But usually, with this soap like this, like within 2 days you can cut it, but I have to wait 4 days to cut it. So what's the problem? The recipe that I used, I did not calculate it right, okay? Because I used citric acid in my recipe, and I did not calculate the lye, increased lye to accommodate for the citric acid. Number two, your scale could be a problem. Your scale, the battery that you use, is run out of battery. Change the battery, sort out your scale, or if you could buy the plug-in scale, it would be better. Okay, so it could be your scale that is off. Okay, not your recipe, but your scale is off. So you're measuring everything wrong. Not you, but the scale measuring wrongly what you intend to measure. Now, the third reason, you are using too much water in your recipe, my friend. Too much water, okay? Too much water will make your soap soft, okay? Who wants to do that, yeah? Sometimes I do, but if you experience, you know what you're doing, it's all right. That is the most common problem, okay? Now this one, 4 days, it starts to harden up, okay? But when I first unmold this, it's so soft. When I cut through it, it just, has some clump like this, right? So I have to patch it, look. So I have to patch this up. Now it's hardened up, okay? So if you cut it now, it still might be soft, okay? So I'm not sure yet. But that's the third reason. Just recap what happened. So your formula, your recipe has a problem, your scale has a problem, or too much water. There's only 3 reasons why your soap is soft. Fix those 3 problems and it should hard like a rock soap. Check out my playlist, how I formulate this formula. I'll see you next time in another video. Bye.